Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Yeah, expression passed successfully, right? That's it. Yeah, this is what we need to do, all of us. Yeah, clear, right? Now say okay, apply, and then say what? Okay. Yeah. This is what we need to do in order to what you call start making a call to what code procedure. Clear? No, no. Now I hope you got the answer. Priyanka, ma'am. That's what you're asking, right?
No, no, actually, I was asking for the stored proc.
Stored proc,
I was asking
adding
that
separate code menu.
the stored, I was saying that the stored proc is unconnected, right? So it should
Right.
ideally not have any input or output. Why does it have input or output? Okay, okay,
No, we should
I
have
got
it.
I got the answer. I
Got
got the
right. Like
answer.
lookup
Okay.
also, you'll have
It
input
is,
output. See, yes,
yeah, but it is called, right? So it should have. Okay,
exactly.
okay, I got it. Got my answer. Yeah.
Exactly.
Stupid question. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. They are learning, right? Yeah. Yeah, I think Dil has done, and Priyank, you are trying to do, right? Yes. What happened? Your system is not cooperating with you, madam.
I'm not getting that connecting that arrow mark. You know, I mean, I
One
already
second.
dragged that department number, but that arrow
Let me
mark is
try.
not coming.
This is what you're looking for, right? Yeah. I
Yeah.
just connected. So now you just did, right? This configuration part. I think it is done,
Yeah.
right? And this
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
perfect, madam. Now let's go with the target. All I think all done, right? Except Susha looks like he has got some problem. So yeah. Now the next step is what? Let us go to what? Adding target. Yeah. Select target and put it here. So you can just place SP somewhere. Yeah, because it's unconnected, right? So we don't connect it. So now let us take what? Department number. We should get the same result as what we got with other example. Only difference here is what? Unconnected. That's all, right? Yeah. 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 So that's it. All done, right? Finish is done and is doing it. That is perfect. Now let us execute. Create SP, sorry, create workflow and get it executed. Fine, right? Let me save it. Now we could able to see unconnected. This thing is valid, right? And See here, validating the mapping, which is SP unconnected. Perfectly, it's validated. So that's all. Now the next step is what we need to start understanding what you call like how one can start performing what building the workflow. Let's go here. Create a workflow. Workflow SP unconnected. Workflow SP. I'll put complete procedure unconnected. That's it. Yeah. Hit enter button. Now go to task and create a session. Session stored from based unconnected. And click on what? Create. So now we could able to say mapping stored procedure unconnected. Right? Then say OK. Right? Oh, what happened? Yeah, fine. Now connect this link task. Start task is what? This one. Yeah. Yeah. Now double click on session properties. Same thing like what we did earlier, right? No change. Yeah. Now we can see SP aggregation. We can see connection also got replaced because we have already given this connection as part of mapping level itself. An expression, we made a call. Then the next is what? Supply the target path and file. Yeah, scratch underscore I'll put here unconnected. Say enter. Yeah, fine. Now I can save and run and see the result. Yeah, can you start doing it?
Got 14 rows.
So you got right expected result.
Yeah, 14 rows.
So 14, huh? How come?
Yeah, connect.
So you gave employee input, huh? Or department?
I think I gave employees input.
Employee means you'll have 14 rows. Actually, we should get only
Yeah,
4 rows. Logic.
4 rows. Yeah, I got 4 rows.
yeah, I
Yeah,
gave
okay.
employee as input. Yeah,
That is a good try, right? Fantastic, actually. Because, yeah, see, input can come from anywhere, right? You tried from
yeah,
employee. That's also fantastic. Fine. But the best practice would be what? Make sure that whatever input that supply, it has got unique values so that we don't get to see any duplicate result time and again. For example, in this case, in your case, right, employee has got 14 rows. where we can see duplicate department numbers over there, right? Because so 1 or 2 or 3 employees belong to same department. Yeah. The goal of employee is what? Maintain employee data, right? Which means multiple employees might belong to one department. In that case, we'll get to see what? Multiple same result, multiple rows. So the duplicacy, but we'll get a result. Really? Yeah. But that's a fantastic try. Yeah. So I think did I execute? I think it's done. Yeah, Dinesh. Yeah, we got the same result as earlier. Perfect. I think we verified this as from database also earlier, so we don't need to do it again. So Dinesh, yeah, Dinesh has got it. Perfect. Now, so with this problem, I think we'll take a break, a functional break. After we come back, we'll start with a new topic. Yeah? So, can you, this request from my side, can you just ask Sushma Madam to join, because we'll start new topic where there is no dependence with the topic which we discussed earlier. Delhi, Priyanka, and Dinesh, if you have number, right, just ask her, request her to join. Yeah? If she doesn't have any system problem. No, yes, yeah. Now, so let us go to mappings menu and select what? Create. Yeah. So mapping underscore, we can supply now. Yeah. So mapping underscore what we can supply here the expression, right? So mapping underscore expression. Yeah. Yeah. Now let us take any data. So let us say we are taking what? Department part. Yeah. Yeah. Now next step is what? We need to start making use of the expression transformation. For that, go to transformation and select what? Create. Yeah. Supply expression transformation name here. Priyanka, we are creating new mapping. Priyanka, go to mappings menu and select create. You're there, right, Priyanka?
Sir,
Yeah,
actually, I just restarted my sys.
Your system. Oh, your system. Okay, fine. That's fine. Now you could able to access, right? No. Anyway, we'll wait for some time. I think now you could able to access. Yeah. Go to mappings menu, madam, and create new mapping. Yeah, fantastic. I think you are doing it already. Yeah, and supply the transformation name, which is I'll just put expression expi. And click on what? Create, and done. Right. That's, yeah. Now let us take department name as one input, location as other input. Yeah. And we would also take department number also. So where we can use it to perform numeric operations. Yeah? We'll perform string based operations and also numeric based operations. Yeah? Yeah, we're all on the same page, right? Yes. Take it inside, Dinesh. Take it inside and release it. Yeah. Inside means inside expression transformation. What you need to do, look at here, just drag and drop. Can you see here? I'm in inside expression release. That's it. Yeah. So other columns also you can do same thing. Yeah, I think all are done. Now let us open the properties of expression. So double click on expression transformation. Go to ports. Yeah, these are input come output ports. Right now we are going to add our own output port. Yeah, can you see here? Click on add a new port. Yeah. Now let us say we are going to perform concatenating part. Yeah. So which is I'll just put here concat name with a constant. Yeah. We'll start with one example, which is name with a constant. Yeah. So this output port, right? Type should be a string anyway, and then this precision, if you want to increase, we can increase it. Let's say we can make 100 because name has got some characters, and if you add some more characters to it, right? If it might cross more than 10 characters. If the length is smaller than what we give, then the data would get truncated. To avoid that truncation, right? We are trying to supply more length here. That's it. Yeah. Now disable input. This one, input port. Can you see here where I place the mouse pointer? Yeah. All done. Yes. Oh, you are ahead of me, Dinesh. I think we're on the same page. Perfect. Now click on what? Down arrow button. So just remove this. Now, in order to perform any mathematical operations, right? We have got multiple functions, which you can see on the left side. I repeat, we could able to say multiple functions. All means it will include all, and specific categories also you can see here. For example, let's say now we are focusing on string operations, right? String means what? Under character, we could able to see all string based functions. Yeah. These are very straightforward. We'll do one or two examples. Yeah. So rest you can explore later. Let's say concat. So we are trying to concat department name with a constant value, right? So let us apply d name, or if you don't want to type, what we can do here is go to ports and select what? D name. That's it. Yeah. Comma. We can supply. Let us say, assuming that department does not have any region, I'll just put south. Right? That's it. If you want, we can also include space if you want, or else ignore it. Yeah. Fine. That's it. Validate. So make sure that this is perfect. We have got error, right? Which means what? We should not use double quotes. We should use what? Single quote. Fine. Let's try this. Can I see expression parsed successfully? Yeah. Just simple syntactical things. Yeah. Single quote, Dinesh. And yes, it is done here. Here also it is done. Perfect. Now say apply. Oh, say okay. Sorry. Say apply. Okay. Now let us add a target. So we'll focus on one by one. One by one in the sense. Now we'll start with one. Next example, we'll see something else. Let us say we need input is what? Department number, name, right? Yeah. And let us see concatenation also, both. Yeah. Input is department name. Concatenation is what? Department name plus our constant value. Yeah. That's it. Now save it. create a workflow and run it. I just saved it. Now let us go to workflow manager. I repeat, let's go to workflow manager and create a workflow. Go to workflow. The workflow underscore expression. Yeah. Yeah. So next, go to task menu, select what? Create. Supply the session name, session underscore expression. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. Now select what? Mapping expression. That's what I need to do. Say okay and done. Now go to task menu, select link task. We all know that. Yeah. Now double click on session properties. Go to mapping. That's a department. We already have it. Expression. We have done it. Target. We need to specify. So let us apply the target path. Yeah. And file name. This is scratch underscore expression output dot txt. Right? Enter. Save it. Yeah. You can find it finish. Yeah, perfect. I think we're on the same page. So saved, right? Now let's run. Yeah. Yeah. The next step is what we can go to monitor and check this particular expression stuff.
The output is not coming properly.
Oh, let us see, madam. Yeah. Now we can see all the 4 rows, right? Yeah. So let us go to the target. Yeah. First is the department, right? Can you see here? Sales south. Research. It got truncated because of length.
Yeah.
Can you see here?
Yeah.
That's what we expected. So that's what we expected, right? If you don't have enough length, no, this is what happens. See, up to 10 characters only, you can count it here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct, no? 2 spaces and 7 characters. Similarly, here, research, it covered what? See, 2 spaces and rest is characters. Similarly, accounting, see, it itself has got around 10 characters. See, it's filled already. Operation also filled. This what happens if you don't specify what? Enough length. Now we can see the effect of length, right? Yes or no? I think this is what you're asking, right, Priyanka? Yeah, fine. So now,
Yes, yes.
yeah. So now let us move on to the next thing. Next is what? One, we can increase the length anyway. Second is what? We need to start understanding like how to perform numeric operation. Sorry, before numeric, right? Let us combine both the fields, both the input fields. Now we talk one constant with one field, right? Next example would what? Both the fields like department name, location. Yeah. So with that, all the fields will be covered and one field, one constant will be covered. Next, we'll focus on numeric part. Yeah. Can I start doing it? Yeah. Probably I think you guys can do it. I'll try to show this. Yeah, fine. Now let us try to add one more. Yeah, which let's say concat only. Concat based on what? Two fields. I'll just put two fields. Fine. Then specify, let's say department. Disable this input port and specify what? Two fields here. Yeah. So we know function, right? Concat. Yeah. Yeah. Supply what? Two ports. What? Which port? Department name, comma, what? Location. Fine. That's it. Yeah. Expression parsed successfully. Now we also need to fix what? Length problem, right? That's the next thing we are going to do. Yeah, all done, huh? Dinesh is done. Yeah, yes, Dinesh. Just type concat and supply two fields. So one is sorry. One is the department name. Second is location. Right? So that's it. This is perfect. So yeah, this is done, Dinesh. I think all done, right? Now the length problem was yeah, say okay, apply and okay. Here let's say we gave more length, right? 100 characters. But in target, if you go and look at, can you see only 10 characters we have? That was the problem earlier, right? So now how to increase that length? For that, we cannot increase it here. We need to go back to target designer, look at here and select, I'll just clear all to avoid confusion. Then open this only, SEQ1 TGT scratch, right? That's what we are focusing on. Then open the properties, go to columns. So here we can increase the length. Let's say we are using second column, and third is also, let's say 100. Fine. That's it. This is what we need to do. Clear, right? I repeat, we need to go to target designer, select our target definition, select our target definition, and then apply the changes, which is length.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Now after change, right, we could able to say length is what 100 for C2 C3 columns. Yeah, done, right? Dinesh is done and Priyanka is done. Yeah, I think so. All done, right? Yeah, perfect. I think it's changed. Yeah, even Delhi is also done. Perfect. Now let's go back to mapping designer. Now, if you try to scroll, can you see here now change got reflected automatically? We modified where target designer, right? Yeah. So now we can save and run same procedure and see the effect of this particular one length, second combining data from two input fields. Yeah. Let's go to workflow manager. Yeah, you can run and see whether you got the expected result or not. I'll just wait for a minute. If you don't get it, then I'll come in. Yeah. Yeah. Fantastic. I think looks like she has got it. This is the last example, right? So what about next another output put which we added just now? For that also we should get this. So we need to connect it here. Last one, right? So connect this to what? C3.
Okay.
Remember, and then save it. So that's why I think you have not got third result, right? Yeah. So Dinesh, I think Dinesh looks like he has done it. Yes, perfect. Yeah. And yeah, now you can just go back to workflow manager. Yeah, fantastic. I think now she has got the result, right? So I think Dinesh also has got, Vijay has also got. Fantastic. So I can let's try. Yeah. That's right. Yes. Then yeah. Next example. What you can do is just try to add what two numeric values. Yeah. Like that's a department number with constant value and see whether we can get the arithmetic added result or not. Yeah. Yeah. So here also we got it, right? The last one is what? Combined both name location. And this is we increase the length. That's why we can see complete data. That's perfect anyway. Now let us start doing it. That numeric part. Go to designer. Yeah, start doing it. If you don't get it, then I'll come in.
Sorry, could you please repeat what it was?
We just have to do what? Department number plus any constant value.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Sorry, sir, I was missed actually.
Dinesh. Yes, Dinesh. Yeah, we just have to perform simple addition of two numerics. That's a department number plus some constant value. Dinesh.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me try to open this expression. I'm also trying to do. Go to ports. Click on add new port. I'll just put here. Let's add numerals. Yeah. Now result could be either number or it could be even decimal. And let it be 10. That is fine. Then output port. Disable input port. Now go to expression text area. Yeah. So where we can just perform numeric stuff. Can you see numeric functions here? Under numeric category, you could able to see multiple numeric functions. So now we are trying to add simple addition, right? So we can just do what? Let's say department number. So if you don't want to type, just go to ports, department number plus, let's say 110. Now we have got 10, 20, 30, 40, right? With this, we should get 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So field with a constant. Say OK. Apply. OK. Now take out this third one because we already did concatenation stuff, and connect last one which we did just now, numerics part, connect to C3. That's it. Yeah. Now you can just take care of workflow part. Yeah.
Nasim, I just reconnected. Looks like now it's little bit okay.
Okay, fine,
Is it
madam.
any new topic? Yeah, is it any new topic that you have
Yeah,
started out?
that's what actually I requested others to call you. So yes, madam. Just now we started actually.
Yeah,
Now everything is fine, right? From your system side? Yeah.
yeah, because sometimes I really don't understand. I'll not able to unmute or do whatever. It's getting freezed on that thing. Okay, but now it's a little bit fine. Okay, you can yeah. Anyway, it's been done already. I'll go through the recording later. From now
Fine.
on, I think I'll try to. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll start new topic, madam. That time, or you can start doing it. Yeah. Fine. Well, what
Yeah.
we are
Sure.
trying to do now is we are trying to perform some mathematical operations, madam. Yeah. In the sense, if you want to perform numeric operations like arithmetic addition, arithmetic subtraction, or multiplication or division, whatever, right? So that we are trying to do. So earlier we tried examples with respect to what
It is just
how to
some computational stuff, right?
exactly.
Just
You are
some
right, madam.
computational. Yeah. Okay. Fine then. No
Exactly.
problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just go through
Yeah.
later.
To
No
do
problem.
that, we have got one expression transformation. We are trying to do that, madam. Well, you can watch that.
Yeah.
After that, I'll start one more new topic. So you can start with hands-on also. Okay, madam. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine. So now, so this is what we are trying to do. Add numerics, I think we did. So I think you people have got result, right? 20, 30, 40, 50. I think Priyanka system, I can see the result. Here also I can see the result to Dinesh system. Oh, here also it's fantastic. All done. Now, let us do one more numeric thing. So we have got absolute, seal, and floor. These are numeric functions, right? So absolute means what? If the input data is what decimal, which means you will have before decimal and after decimal point some digits. Let's say 12.45. In that case, what is the absolute value for this? 12. If you say 12.55, what is the absolute value for that? 13. Then you got right, which means after 0.5, which is higher value, before below 0.5, lower value. We all know that. That's about absolute. Similarly, seal floor. Seal means what? If we have, let's say 12.01 also, what is the seal value for that? 13. Then floor. If we set 12.9 also or 12.5 also, what is the floor value? 12. Let us do one example, then we'll come out from that numeric stuff. Usage of existing numeric functions. Yeah. So let us double click on this expression transformation. Yeah. Go to ports, add let's say new output port, where we are trying to talk about pre-built sorry, yeah, pre-built functions. I'll just put functions underscore num, which is numerics. Yeah. And result, let's say decimal. Then disable the checkbox and go to this expression area. Yeah. Now let us expand this particular numeral or numerical category, where we can see functions, right? Absolute, seal, floor, expression, logarithmic, all that. Yeah. Let us select one of them. Let's say seal. Seal of, let us apply some 12.5 or 12.4. Yeah. Just to start with a constant value. Right? Because we don't have input data of this kind, right? That's why we are supplying what? Constant value. So what is the result we expect here? Seal means for top, right? Which means you should get 13 or 12. Anyway, seal value we should get it. Now, so now let us take out old C3 and then delete this. Connect seal result to C3. Yeah. Now let us save and look at the effect of it. Yeah. So you guys can see it. Yeah. Yes. Now let's go and verify the result. Yeah. Can you see here? 13, right? This is what we expected. Seal miss upper value. Yeah. So likewise, you can try what other numeric function, right? Yeah. So that's about what you call usage of functions. We know numeric part, we know string part. Likewise, you can explore other functions. For example, probably you can try one more example, substring. You extract part of a string. In the sense, let us say there is a name column. Let's say department name we have, right? Within that, extract first two characters. Yeah. So to achieve that, we can use what? Substring function. Let us do that from string one now, pre-built function. Yeah. Then we'll come out from that because we need to cover other topics.
So, sir, these are all pre-built function. We can use only expression filter, right? Expression transformation, right? Other transformation is it possible? Maybe.
Yes, we have, for example, in filter also we could able to see, in router also we could able to see. We have got some more transformation which we are going to see. Like lookup also we can see. Not all, yes. Some transformations we can use these functions as well. Dinesh? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Functions also we can. Okay.
Yes. Let us add new one. So I'll just put pre-built string, right? Yeah. Pre-built str with sub. Sub is substring. Yeah. So disable this and click down arrow button. If you expand this character category, right, we could able to see substring somewhere, alphabetical order, right? Sub str, right? Now we can take department name as one input. Then we can see here when you type this substring, right? Can you see syntax here? Signature, character, which is then followed by numeric. We need to supply what? Numeric value here. Remember this. Yeah? So returns n character of char beginning at character m. You can clearly see the description also. So start point is here and end point is what? Length, which is n. The start point I can specify here. So comma, what? Let's say 1, comma, 3 characters. So second is length. First is what? Starting position, where we need to start getting it. Yeah. Got no? Oh, the next probably can just delete and yeah. So you already got the result. Huh? Priyanka, you are trying to do. What you're trying to do, right? Priyanka, you're there. Looks you have some system problem. Yeah, fine. So let us validate this. Perfect. And say okay. Yeah. Apply. Okay. After that, you can save it. Yeah, refresh this work session. Save. Yeah. Yeah. Priyanka has come back with. Now let's start the workflow. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can look at the result. Oh, we didn't map it, right? For modification. Yes. So we need to connect. I'll just delete last C3 one, old one. Connect the substring to C3. Yeah. So go to workflow manager, refresh. Yes, controller. Now start the workflow. Yeah. Now you could able to see the effect. Can you see here? ACC. First three characters only we could able to see. Accounting, right? First three characters. Start position is first. Length is what 3. Same thing. Research first RES. Sales SAL. And operations OPE. That's all. I hope everybody has got the result, right? Priyanka is facing some problem with her system. So Dila has got it and Dinesh got it. Open the result. Yeah. And you got it, right? So like how we can make use of what string based with a constant, string based with custom, and then numeric with constant, numeric with custom, and private. So the rest of the functions, if people can what take care. Yeah. Now let us move on to another transformation, which is going to be what how to order the data in an ascending or descending order. I repeat, how to order the data in ascending or descending order. So for that, we have got another transformation, which is known as sorter transformation. Yeah, Sushma madam, now we can start. New topic I'm starting now. Yeah. So let us start doing that. Go to designer. Yeah. Sushma madam, yeah. Go to designer, go to mappings and create. Yeah. Select mappings and then create. Yeah. So now we have got or we need to supply mapping name with let's say I'll just put here sorter. Fine. So through which we can achieve arranging the data in an ascending order or descending order. Yeah. Yeah. create a new mapping, madam. Susha, madam. Go to mappings and create. Yes. Yeah, mappings and create. Yeah. Create, first one. Supply the name, mapping underscore sorter. Yeah. So Priyanka looks like she's facing some problem. Yeah. Mapping sorter, right? Say okay. Now take let's say department as a source. Then go to transformation and use what? Sorter transformation. Yeah, sorter, right? Sorter TRX. Yeah. Then click on what? Create. Set done. Yeah. Now take this data as input to this sorter. Yeah. This is done,
Can
madam.
you just
Go to go to transformation.
yeah,
Select what? Create. And
okay.
yes. Then type some name, madam. Sorter underscore TRX.
So
And type it. Yes. Click on create. Yeah. And then done. Yes. Now we can just drag and drop this sorter to the right side, madam. Yeah. So let's say I'm just trying to put it. Yeah. Right. You can organize it. Now connect the ports from this source qualified to what? Sorter. That's the next step you need to do. Yeah. Just connect it. Yeah. So from here. So I just connected, right? Department number, department name, location. That's it. Yeah. Done, no? Now the next step, we'll do next step. Yeah. For that, double click on this sorter transformation. Finish? Yes. Priyanka, she has some problem. Now go to ports. Yeah, can you see here? You could able to say ports. And there is a one more port which is called key. Can you see here? Key. If we enable that particular key port and select what? Descending. Can you see direction here? By default, direction would be ascending. Now anyway, we already have ascending data, right, from the department table. To see the effect of this particular sorter, let us select what? Descending. Right. So this is where we need to do. Yeah, this one, madam. Key. And then select what? Descending. You can see, right? Susha, madam. Yeah. I just enabled K, which is a key, and selected what? Direction as descending. You got, no? Yes. So I think all done.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So you can select sorter, Priyanka. Now only it came, right? Sorter, SORTER. Yes. Supply the name, madam. Yeah. So that's it. All done, right? Yeah, perfect. Now say apply and OK. Yeah, same as usual. So go to any target definition. So we are using one only because to avoid confusion, right? If you switch here and there, right, you'll get confused. Yeah. So that's it. Now connect 3 columns. Yeah.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.